how to create a lifestyle bookkeeping practice with high profits and time off. The Bookkeeping Practice Blueprint Summit is your roadmap to building a business that supports the life that you want, with expert guidance every step of the way. Now, the summit is a 3-day online event that you can attend from anywhere in the world. It's running August 27, 28, 29, and you can get your free ticket or your VIP pass at the bookkeepingpracticeblueprint.com. Now, this video is video 9 in a 10 video series, so I do recommend that if you can catch up, that'd be great. Video 1 particularly. Today's focus is to learn how to build a bookkeeping practice that delivers both income and time freedom. I'd like to show you or tell you how the summit is going to help you with that. So I, as well as being the strategic bookkeeper, I've had my own practice for 15 years. So I've been there, done that. I have built a busy practice that did not give me the time freedom. And then I built a scaled practice that did give me the time freedom. It's simple. Simple doesn't mean easy. We need to give you the strategies, the actionable strategies. And that's why I'm going to put 15 speakers, including me, in front of you that is going to help you with this central thing that is building that practice that has not only the profit but the time freedom as well. This is a truly scaled practice, okay? So 3 days of content, 15 amazing speakers that are here to help you with exactly this. So you've got nothing to lose and everything to gain, and so I do hope I'll see you there. Simply go to the bookkeepingpracticeblueprint.com and grab your free or your VIP pass.